Hi, this is Shengyi Koh. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hey buddy, thanks for coming to my office.
Very honored to be here.
So this is my office. It's a bit messy today because it is a recording day.
Yeah.
So everything is all over the place. So this is where my PA sits. My wife sits over there.
Is this your painting?
Yes, this is my painting. So this is my office. Obviously today it has turned into studio.
Studio.
Yeah.
I love the colors in your office.
Thank you.
Really nice, and all the. This is the difference between an artist's office and a corporate office. You are a shoe creator, shoe designer.
Yeah.
You are an artist, painter.
Uh-huh.
You are wearing your shoe.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm so lucky to be the first few who get this.
Oh, yes.
Like,
First few.
yeah, so I love this shoe. It's like so comfortable.
Ah.
It is already my former shoe now.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
super
you.
good, super good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you talk a bit about the design and
Yeah, I think shoes are probably by far some of the most important things in life.
Yes.
You cannot leave your house without your shoes.
Oh, that's true.
Right?
That's true.
So and because of my lifestyle, I travel a lot and I fly. I go to go speak at conference, and sometimes you have to pack a lot of stuff. The last thing is you have to pack many pairs of shoes, which I don't mind. It's just that sometimes it's just not possible, especially when you're going to places that luggage
When you want
space
to
is.
travel light.
Yeah, when you went to travel light. So I've been looking high and low for a pair of shoes that I can wear that it is cool enough to wear casual, cool enough to wear it with Bermuda shorts, and almost make it to become a formal pair of shoes. I actually made this sample 2 years before I produced them. I have to try it first.
So you wear for 2 years.
I wear for 2 years. I think if I'm happy with 2 years, I think other people should be happy lah. But actually, I'm very new to shoe industry. It's my trying out. I'm also motivated by you, by Brian.
Okay.
So when I launched the shoe, I was very surprised Hans Abdullah came.
Oh, our friend
And
Hans.
miraculously, I have his size, which he thinks is very hard to get
12 or 13.
Yeah. So I have a pair that suits him, and I think the biggest compliment I can ever get is when he says that he wore it the whole day and it was still comfortable.
Oh, cool.
So I'm very pleased with the quality.
An honest review from a sneakerhead.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah. Hans
That's
is,
all you need.
Yeah.
Let me show you something.
So
this is my
this is your paradise.
yeah.
Whoa!
This is my little hideout paradise. So this is actually my studio. Again, this is the first time this studio is in public eye. So I never shot this studio space. This one, I've only done one. It is not something that I can replicate anymore. So this is a real masterpiece. You know when you are in paint, you don't choose color. You cannot choose color.
Huh?
So like for example, right? We love black color.
Okay.
But we're not in paint. So this is by choice. That means we choose black color.
Yeah, we choose.
But when you are in paint, you cannot choose color. Your mind just cannot think of colors. So what happened was, I was in that season, the only color that I pick every time I pick up a brush is black color or a white color. And if you look at this painting, right, there are actually some blue there.
Yeah.
I tried to have some tone. I realized I can't.
Masters painting are in St. Regis Langkawi.
Yeah.
If you visit there, you can log into his Instagram, you can see
Yeah.
the artist himself standing in front of the painting.
Thank you.
That is
Yeah. So this is where I work. These are all my art. A bit of storage. I have a little bathroom. There's a toilet over there.
cool. It is my kind of dream office that you have your own dream space that you can
Yeah.
do the things that you like.
Yeah.
I always believe that by doing things together is the fastest way to learn.
You know what? I totally agree with you.
Yeah, when you will learn how to communicate and you will learn how to, that's when you will have some conflict sometimes, and because you have different
Ideas and
ideas,
opinions. Yeah.
opinions, and I love how we able to make things happen together.
Yeah.
And then we see each other's strength,
Yeah.
and we know each other what we cannot and what we can.
Yeah.
And that is what we always cover in our
Yes.
IG life. We
Yeah.
always talk about we have to be honest with ourselves, so
Yeah.
that people will be very transparent to know, really know, like I know what you can, what you cannot, so
Yeah.
that I won't stab your tail.
Yeah.
so that's I love the partnership between the friendship and
Yeah.
and the mentor and mentee.
Actually, it's very interesting when you say you always learn a lot from me. I learned so much from you. I
For
learned
my questions.
from your question.
It's
from
like a reminder for you.
Not only that, I think you're too humble. It's not just that. There are a lot of things that you know that I actually don't. And it's interesting that you always say you learn so much from me. Because right, one of the ways to determine whether you really learn something from somebody is by how regular you talk about that somebody with other person.
I like when we do leadership IG live.
Yeah.
When we say something and we're like, yeah, the same, the same thing. Like that's when I feel okay. Great leaders always need characteristic that we always share.
Yeah.
On IG live. By the way, if you haven't watched our IG live before,
Come on, man. What are you doing?
you really need to block your night.
Yeah.
Wednesday night,
Yeah.
Malaysia time, 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Tune in and learn. And I always think that our content is super good. You can't get that like for free anywhere else. But
it's true, right? I think Shengyi, what you see, when we are good friends, we can do things together. We have reached a level. But when we commit to ourselves to do this, and by taking risk, we have a potential to go to a deeper level. Avoiding friction is probably the most common pain avoidance for everybody.
yeah,
The moment I have pain, I quit my job,
Yeah.
I quit my relationship,
Wow, true.
I quit my marriage,
true.
right? But it is when you encounter friction and you overcome, that's when you shine. That's when you really do better. And I love it because we take a risk. This risk is big, not just for the both of us, but it's also for our image.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
we are two people that will stay in a fight and we don't give up. And we cannot give up now because
Yeah.
the whole world is watching us. So
True.
we're gonna commit ourselves and we're gonna work a lot harder because in the beginning it was easy, we chat, but we will put in a lot more time and effort to produce content that it will be beneficial.
And this is where I get all my confidence to work something with you, because the values that we share every week is all the foundation that we are going to do things together.
Correct.
And no matter how hard it is,
Yep.
we are going to learn how to make this together.
Yeah.
A lot of people ask, wow, talking to pastor not
Yeah.
stress, man.
I hope it is not.
It is from the surface it is stress because you are someone that I very look up to.
Yeah.
I really
Thank
wish
you.
to learn from you, but I just tell myself, no matter like how this is the best opportunity ever. I may not know how to do it well, but I can learn
Yeah.
and I can make sure that I can fit your standard because
Wow.
because doing things with your mentor is a bit stressful. It's away from your comfort zone.
Yeah.
But I tell myself I'm going to grab this opportunity and I'm going to learn how to do this well.
But interestingly, right, we didn't even start out like this.
Yeah.
We just started out wanting to chat.
Yeah.
That turns into a commitment to excellence.
Like a fun thing to do
Fun
during
thing to do.
the MCO.
We all locked down, right?
Yeah.
Nothing to do.
And I remember I think you are the one who asked you, am I invited?
No, I asked you.
Yeah, you
I
just
asked
asked me, should we do IG Live? I was like, oh,
Yeah,
okay, let's do this.
Yeah. I'm glad it is turning into something else.
Yeah, and
I think that's life, right?
that's life when you're stuck in the house. Like 2020 is something, it's a year that, it's a very special year that everyone complains about it.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that we created something in
Yeah.
this special year.
True.
By the way, I'm wearing the Air Jordan 3 Fragment. It's really cool. It's minimalist, black and white, my kind of thing. I like how these shoes put on fit with my normal outfits, black, full black, and then with these white shoes. And the end, you can see this Fragment logo, Nike Air thing. Damn nice. You can see, you will know how a pass really works into your outfit when you put on fit. And that's my outfit of the day with a Nike Life jacket. Hope you guys enjoyed a very contentful YouTube video today. Myself visiting Master Kevin's office. It's life-changing, and I hope you guys enjoy the video that we made today. And remember to subscribe to our channel to get weekly new updates. See you guys again next week. Bye bye.